Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Canuel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is my November message out to the community. I hope all of you are doing well. It's third month of the new school year, and it usually takes a while for things to settle in. I hope you're all there and that things are going well for you all generally. I know that inside Learn, we have many projects that are going on. Our PRT team still going on with the I Belong project, Table des Chefs moving on, and a variety of different things. So take a look at our newsletter. Our newsletter really gives you a good idea to the many different activities in which we're engaged. Same thing with our pet services team. Our pet services team this year, this week actually, is involved in a conference and helping to co-host it with Wilfrid Laurier and Lester B. Pearson, CCI conference. So if you want to know more about that, that's in our newsletter as well. For us, the other thing that's happening is we're seeing the demand for our online tutorials way up again. We anticipate that during the course of this school year, we'll offer probably over 40,000 tutorial sessions to students across our community. I think it's fantastic. I'm really proud of our organization. I'm not sure, and I'll leave this to the gurus, and there are no shortage of gurus around, and experts who knows how to interpret all this. But if we have that much demand for tutorials, what does it say? Is there a problem? Are we still trying to recover from the pandemic? Is there just generally a need by students, as recognized by their teachers and parents, for maybe additional support? I'm not sure, but it's certainly interesting, and I'm proud that we're able to provide that particular service. I know that over the weekend I read a lot of commentary in social media, LinkedIn and Twitter in particular, where gurus were bemoaning the fact that there are all kinds of issues and problems and challenges in education. And I think it's really easy to complain and find and say that there are problems. I think we all know this. The question is, how do we really and realistically bring about change? It's not so easy. No shortage of gurus, and we've tried in the past, and with not too much success, tried to bring about some systemic change. Hopefully, in the future, there will be those who come up with new processes and new approaches that will bring about things, because we continue to have a very high dropout rate here in Quebec. General student dissatisfaction. Even teachers are unhappy. An interesting OECD report says that when there's a lot of innovation, teachers are most happy. So it's not that teachers resist change, it's just that they become a little bit cynical when they keep hearing and seeing change proposed, and then it starts off and it peters into nothing. So keep an open mind. Don't fall into that valley of cynicism that I think we all tend to do in education. Remain open-minded, stay positive. Hopefully we will find some gurus and specialists who have some good ideas that will help to bring about meaningful and sustainable educational change. Bye for now, everyone. We'll see you in December. I'm not sure I'm going to be outside at that time. Right now it's still mild enough. It's about 12 degrees and a little windy, but it's still pretty good. I'm not sure what December will be like. So see you then. Stay healthy, everyone. Bye now.